Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We're here at ISE 2019. I'm with my good friend Aurangzeb Khan, who is the inventor, the CEO of Altia Systems and the PanaCast system. And we're going to show you PanaCast 3, which is right here. Tell us a little bit about what the impetus for this was.
Great to meet you, Gary, and thanks for coming over. You know, PanaCast has been a hugely successful product line. We now have about 1,600 companies around the world using us. It's the perfect device for huddle rooms like the one you see behind us. Now with PanaCast 3, we wanted to further reduce the stitching distance, and the way to do that is to make the optical head very small. We wanted to add a new feature for 6x lossless digital zoom. So to do that, we raised the camera. Each camera now goes up to 13 megapixels from 3 megapixels. And you know, when you do all that, then of course you wanted to space out the microphones a little bit, so that gives you this wing-like look. We have 2 microphones and an audio DSP, 3 full cameras with 13 megapixels each, giving us almost 40 megapixels overall. And that gives us deep zoom, lossless digital zoom. Very simple device, very easy to use with a built-in clip, so you can mount it to your PC or your Mac.
We're going to show them that.
Yeah, okay. And then a single USB-C connection, and then a Kensington lock. Now, it's very easy to use.
All right, so here it is right here. Look how small this is. And if you know the PanaCast 2, then you can see that the form factor is quite a bit different, but yet it has all the functionality of the PanaCast 2 built into it and a whole lot more.
Exactly.
I'm a user of the PanaCast 2 system, so if you're traveling, you could put it on your laptop like such. Just connect it with a USB 2 cable. I'll let you do it there.
Yep, I'll clip it on.
So yeah, so you USB 3 goes direct USB 3 on the output directly to your laptop. Another little cool application you have here is a little stand that you could use inside of a small huddle room. If you don't want to hang it on the wall, of course there's a wall bracket for it here where you could hang it on a wall.
Yep.
Right? So that's the physical parts of it. But let's talk about the performance-wise from the performance side of the product, because this is a new product that you have here.
You know, the other thing, Gary, is we've talked many times and we've been focused on a lot is using not only great video and audio, but also data. So we use data to frame the shot, you know, to adjust the field of view. Right. Well, with this one now, we've been pioneering a solution for people counting and detection to free up reservations of rooms that are not in use. So for example, here we have a PanaCast 2 that's covered up, and we have a software developed by our Australian partner, AVT.
I'm going to move over here so she can come in there and see it.
Yeah.
So you've got a little application here on a
That's
touch
right,
panel.
and that's showing you that the room is available because the camera is covered up.
So the camera's covered up over here.
So I'm going to open it up, and it's going to start seeing people, and it's going to take about a minute for the software to run through its process and recognize that there are people present and then automatically book the room.
All right, so while it's doing that, sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, no, so think about how many big companies and how many thousands of rooms there are out there that are, you know, unused.
Right.
You want to use them, they're not available. This solves that problem.
And also provides a lot of data to the IT or the facilities department of how often the rooms are being used and what they're being used for, because you can provide that data too.
Exactly right. And then some of the bigger companies are creating data lakes of information, exactly as you said, to do analytics, to figure out what's the use case. How are they, like if it's a 20-person room, is it got 20 people in it or does it have 2 people in it?
Yeah, because if you're going to build a new facility, that will tell you what you really need. So here's an image. Now, of course, we're shooting a camera at it and you're seeing us, but this is the image made from that PanaCast 3 camera on the top there. So you can see how fluid it is going across the screen. As we move across screen, you actually, there's no, like you can't tell where the the cameras are stitching.
Thank you. It's got our 4th generation stitching technology, which by the way, we are going to put with PanaCast 2 also. Okay. PanaCast 2 is continuing forward. Many people are using it, they love it. We're going to bring a new product and keep PanaCast 2 going. And we've taken a big price drop on both. PanaCast 3 comes in at $895, so it's a 21% reduction. And then PanaCast 2 goes down by 30%. to $795. So we're making it affordable now because we've got companies like Uber where they're deploying, you know, 850 already deployed, more coming online, right? And just look at the screen behind you. That's an 88-inch LG display. It's a 32:9 display. And you just see that whole thing lit up with the tiny PanaCast 3 on top. I'm going to try and switch this over also to show you the people detection and counting technology. And we're showing that live over here. And you're going to see, hopefully it'll just take a second to get over there. And there you go. So it's starting to give you the people count. That people counting data is the root of the software that the AVT guys are using for room reservations and booking. So imagine if that number goes from 9 or 10 to 0, then it's going to automatically release the room because it'll say there's nobody here.
Yeah, and that's anonymized data, right? So it's not actually identifying people as the individual, it's identifying people as objects.
Exactly. No pictures, no identity.
People get nervous about that now with
this
this world of privacy. We're having to try to figure out what is private and what's not. So really, it's truly anonymized data. You're just counting heads.
Exactly right. We're just getting a numerical count. Yeah.
So all of this, everything is shipping now. The PanaCast 3 is shipping?
It is. We're actually backlogged a little bit, which is good. We're trying to get through that. So when the next 3 weeks, we'll have it even more available. We're just fulfilling all the backlog right now.
All right, so our room is now occupied.
And there you
so
go.
You can see that the panel changed to red.
All by itself.
So in addition to knowing that the room's occupied because we're in the room, because we turn the cameras on, it also has the ability to detect how many people are in the room, how long they're in there, and what they're using it for.
Exactly, and the data that you mentioned is so powerful, right? So we think this is the anchor device for all modern video collaboration and education.
The camera's already in the room, and you don't have to tell it to turn on, it's already on. So obviously Altia systems, but getpanacast.com, is that still your website?
Yeah, or panacast.com, either one.
Okay, panacast.com or getpanacast.com. And of course, this product, I'm a user of the PanaCast 2, so if you have any questions about it from a user standpoint, I can tell you about the PanaCast 2. Don't have a 3 yet, but it's a brand new product. I hope to get one eventually. Of course, you can find out more information at getpanacast.com or panacast.com. And of course, we're going to be making our way around the ISE show and shooting a lot more videos. You can see all of our coverage at ravepubs.com/ISE2019. Aurangzeb, thank you very much for demoing this.
Thanks a lot, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you, Elizabeth.